So over here inside of the folder, inside of Apple folder, you can see that I got different files. So let's just go ahead over here and delete them out. So once you go ahead and delete them, they get transferred over here onto recycle bin right here. So now you can see all of the files and folders that I have deleted. So let's say I want to go ahead and restore them out. So in that case, you can simply go ahead and click on the restore button right here, and it asks whether I really want to restore it. So if I were to press OK, this will get removed out of the recycle bin right here, and then you will be able to see it on the main folder once more. So let me just go around onto recycle bin right here again, and then you can see the folder too. Let's just go ahead and restore this out as well right here, just like this. And as I were to go around over here onto all files now, let's just go inside. You can see that the folder 2 that I had deleted is now there. So that is what you can do. You can go ahead and restore out the files that you have, or you can even go ahead and select out multiple files that you want to restore and then click on restore right here, just like this. Apart from that, what you can also do is you can go ahead and empty the recycle bin altogether as well. So when you empty it, what happens is that it will be deleted off recycle bin and you will get your storage space back, but you won't be able to go ahead and recover it. So by default, what happens is that after 9 days or after 10 days by default right here, you can see it says 9 days because I deleted these files yesterday. But if you were to go ahead and let's say, for example, delete a particular file. So I'm just going to go around over here onto all files right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and then let's say, for example, delete this. Then what happens is inside of the recycle bin right here, you will be able to see 10 days, which is the default time that you have until everything is cleared out. Now let me just go ahead and then restore these out right here, just like this. And let's say I want to permanently delete out these. In that case, I can select out the files that I want to permanently delete, right click and click on restore or delete permanently to delete them out permanently. Or if you want to delete out everything that you have in your recycle bin permanently, then what you can do is you can simply click on empty the recycle bin and press OK, and everything will be deleted just like that. So that is how you can go ahead and restore out deleted files and permanently delete out files that you have inside of Terabox. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe